Alright guys, I've gotten some requests to show a little bit more of the easy trails or the connectors and such for people that are beginners. So I'm going to show you 17 for example, and most of the low digits like a 10, 11, 12, or 10, 11, 15, 17, they're all about like this. I'm starting at the top of the mountain and working my way down, so it's backwards from the trailhead, but 17 more or less is a dirt road. Anybody that's rode a motorcycle before probably be fine riding it. See, when you get up here to the far top, it kind of turns into a trail, but it's mostly just a dirt road. We'll cruise it all the way down. You can see it's pretty smooth. You're not going to get rocks and roots and stuff like that. Nice for beginners. Not even very many ruts. And you'll see a bunch of the other trails shoot off this. Several of the 50s, 60s, 20s. The top of 91 is right here on 17. Careful with these intersections. There's 62 shooting off 17. Continue up 17. Here 17 goes into 11 and 17 is no more. So there you go guys.